I started off at SOS Annandale. Yeah, I started off as a kindergarten teacher, and then I got a promotion into the kindergarten principal. Yeah, which I really enjoy very much. And I'm close at home. I live in Annandale, so I don't have the hassle of traveling up and down. So, and I mean, I'm blessed to work here, in this environment really. And the children just make your day. Yeah, our main focus is on children that are orphan and vulnerable because they cannot afford to pay the school fees. This is where we come in as SOS, taking care of their needs, their emotional needs, social needs, and very important, their educational needs. We have 60 children in our program that are orphan and vulnerable. Vulnerability may be HIV infected or affected. Orphan is very straightforward, where you has lost a parent or both parents. We also have child-headed families, children coming here where there's no mother or father, then the older sister brother has to look after the siblings. So that's all part of our criteria. And what I've discovered through my years working for SOS is that sometimes the SOS is a place where they really feel loved in, this warmth, and a place where they say, we know we're getting a meal for the day. That's why we make sure in the morning they get porridge, with milk in, and for snack time, slice of bread with peanut butter jam in, because that is traditional, and a fruit, and then for lunchtime we make sure there's a balanced meal. And when we say balanced, we make sure there's vegetables in. It's not important for them to have the meat, but as long as we know there's vegetables in, rice or samp and beans, all those important stuff for the bodies, yeah. And then after when they go, we also make sure they get another snack, because perhaps that will be the only meal they receive for the day. We also take children in, like your child, that can afford to pay the school fees, but that is in the minority, because we want the children to interact with all the children. And when they are here, we do not label any child. You treat any child as my child, so they must feel free, they must play. That's why if a child doesn't have proper clothes, we make sure that we get a pair of shoes for you or a nice jacket. Currently we are 12 staff members. 12, quite a challenge, to work with the people, but it's interesting really, because everybody has their own dynamics, but every day it's like a new day working here. Really, it's interesting.